guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I did this look for you guys. It was such a hit on my Instagram page. Everyone was asking for it. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so right now. It is reesiibabe and Rees MUA. But I did a live on this video. If you guys were on the live and you didn't want to wait through it, this is the video. So I'm happy to bring this to you guys. I was actually inspired by Black Chyna for the look that she had in the BET Awards 2017. It was such a pretty look. This is not exactly the same thing, but it's very similar. You can absolutely put some lashes on this and girl, you will be shining. But I didn't, just because I like it for like an everyday kind of look. But you 100% could put on some lashes and it will be amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything is pretty much affordable that I used in it. I also showed you guys how to get really nice glowing skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do continue watching if you want to see how I get this look. What's up guys? Welcome back to my live. I'm just going to start out by prepping my face. So I'm using the Neutrogena Acne Free Stress Control Toner, which is my absolute favorite. And I'm just applying that all over my skin. So in this look, I'm doing the yellow look that I did on, I posted on Instagram. And a lot of you guys have been asking about it and for it. So I'm just recreating that look right now. And a lot of what goes into it besides the eyes is the skin and really nice glowing skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I prep the skin. So I went in with my toner, and now I went in with my Moisture Surge Concentrate. And the moisturizer primer that I use is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I like using that first just to hydrate my skin. Rub that up in my hands first, warm it up, and then apply it to the skin. Alright, so then the next step that I do is I go in with the NYX Oil Primer. Now I'm gonna grab this, just a couple of drops. You don't want a lot of drops. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops at most. And you rub that up in your hand and you just press that into the skin. Now you do want to give this a little bit of time to set in. I went in originally with the Morphe 35O palette. I don't use this palette often because it's so big. And the star of the show is definitely going to be the NYX Vivid Bright cream color. And this is yellow, and you can see that it has a little bit of a sheen to it. So we're going to go ahead and use that. And then I also went in, you can go in with Lemon Drop from Makeup Geek. Or you can go into this yellow color. I think I initially went in with this yellow color because it was a bit more, it was like a darker gold. But these two colors are great to go into. Alright, so now I'm going to go into my face now that everything's kind of set. And I'm going to go into the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm going to do 2 little pumps. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up on my hand first and then dot it onto my face. And I'm gonna use the Golden 40 concealer again. And I'm just going to drag that all over underneath the eye. Well, someone was telling me that they don't even wet their beauty blender, and I'm like, but why? That's how you're supposed to use it. So with a damp beauty blender, you put loose setting powder underneath your eyes. And the key that it has to be damp. You can't use a brush to put this powder underneath your eyes, otherwise you're gonna get a lot of creasing, and you don't want that. You want the beauty blender to really push into the under eye area, get inside all of your creases and all of the lines, and really set the concealer in place. I'm gonna go into these colors. I think another reason why I don't like the Morphe palette is that the colors don't have names, so I just kind of have to point to it on the palette. So it's this one and this one. I'm just gonna use that together and blend it around in my crease area. So after doing that, you're gonna go into the more of an orange shade. It's like more of like a, not like too orange, but like a warmer brown. And I'm gonna go into a little bit more of a deeper orange and then apply this to the outer corners as well, and then just blend that in. I like to fan out the eye a little bit. Just like so. So after doing that, I'll go back into that bigger fluffy brush and then just kind of blend everything. I like how this one blends out a little bit better. And now we're gonna go into the NYX Vivid Brights, and this color is in Light Show. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This is the Sigma Shader Lid Brush at E56. I actually genuinely like these Sigma like precision line brushes. I think they're so great. So I'm just gonna grab this on my brush and then put this onto the lid. Very lightly. I'm kind of like, I don't want to say cutting the crease, but you're just going up to the crease and applying it. And then afterwards I kind of tap with my fingers, and then I'll tap and I'll rub it in. And I just kind of blended it out a little bit, so it kind of went a little bit higher onto the eye. So like, it kind of blended in with the crease color almost. And then now we're gonna go into this color from Coastal Scents. I don't know what it is, but it's one of these little guys. I got, I don't know where, somewhere. But I'm gonna find something similar to it and then link it in the description for you guys. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over the lid. Into the blending brush and then just blend it all together. It's constantly blending back and forth. I think honestly that's a trick. A lot of people go ahead and they apply way too much and then they try to blend it out, but that's not how you do it. You have to apply very little and then go back in and build it up. I think that's everyone's in a rush. There's no rush to these things. I'm actually gonna go into the bottom of my eye first, and I just use like a very light orange shade and lightly dusted it under. So then I went in with Secret Boudoir from Sephora, the Sephora collection, and I apply this right onto my waterline, like so. I'm gonna use this NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I love this so much. So you just gotta be really detailed when you're applying this, but a trick that I've learned is just to use a favorite eyeliner brush is this one. This is from Essence. It is a precise eyeliner brush. It is so fine and so like, it's such a good brush for eyeliner. If you wanna get like a really nice precise line, it's amazing. You just kinda wanna lightly apply it and then drag it. You want to apply it first and then go into actually winging it out. So like kind of stamp it on first in the areas you want it, and then go back and like you can start winging it out. But I like to start small first. That way you don't have a lot of mistakes. I'm just going to apply a little bit more to this area. To make it a bit thicker and even up with the other side. So now we are gonna go ahead and do mascara. The mascara that I started using is this Essence one, so it's very affordable. It's the I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. The blush that I used was the Kevin Aquan one, but I really like using the Wet n Wild Cheek and Lip Stain. I feel like this has a little bit more color to it, and it's a little bit more my color. I feel like the other one is, it's very like pink, whereas this one is a little bit more on the peachy side. I'm just gonna apply this to the apples. I'll lightly go into the blush kit from Anastasia and grab like this peach color. And just tap that a little bit on top just to set this in place. And apply that to the hollows. This is from Dose of Colors. And then the last thing I did was Beeper from ColourPop. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as my Instagram pages. I'm really trying to get to 5K on Instagram, and I'm really trying to get to 10K here on YouTube. So please go ahead and share this video, and I will talk to you guys in another one. See you later. Bye.